I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapseed and importing the photo. Make sure the app is updated. Once loaded, tap Tools and choose Tune Image so you can assess exposure, contrast, and white balance. You want a neutral baseline before altering the background. Adjust brightness, contrast, and ambience lightly. If the subject is underexposed, boost brightness by small increments. If colors look off, correct white balance. This early correction makes later background edits blend naturally with the subject's tones. Now you isolate the background using Selective or the Brush tool, painting over the areas you want to change. Once selected, use the mask preview to refine edges, zoom in and switch to a soft brush for feathering so transitions look natural. For complex scenes, add a double exposure layer or use Portrait to detect subject edges automatically, then invert or refine the mask. Make incremental changes, tweak saturation, blur, or tones separately, so the background complements the subject instead of overpowering it. Finish by applying subtle effects, slight blur, grain, or a soft vignette to integrate subject and background. You want cohesion, not obvious edits. Once done, compare before and after and open stacks to tweak any individual edit non-destructively. Export using Export, save a copy to preserve the original. If something goes wrong, like haloing or hard edges, reopen the stack, reduce brush hardness, refine the mask, or redo the last layer at lower opacity. That fixes most visible artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.